The months after your loved one's death are filled with obligations and responsibilities, from obtaining the necessary medical certifications to organising the funeral and dealing with outstanding financial circumstances, such as accounting obligations and insurance policies. During this time, your own entitlements in relation to the will are often last on your mind. However, it's important to understand your rights. If you've been left out of a will or treated unfairly, you may decide to take further action and contest the will under Victorian law. Although this decision should not be taken lightly, it's important to be aware that certain time restraints apply to these matters. In the event that you decide to contest the will, your application must be made within 6 months after the date of the grant of probate. In some cases, the court may give an extension to this time, so long as the estate has not been completely administered. However, it's important to remember that this extension is not a guarantee. The following example is a case heard in the Victorian court that highlights the importance of taking action within the legally set timeframe. In the matter of Robbins versus Hume, Justice Macmillan dismissed an application to extend the time to contest a will. This particular case involved a daughter of the deceased who made an application to extend the period of time to contest the will by 1 year. At the time of the daughter's application, the estate assets had been fully distributed and the application was rejected. Justice Macmillan confirmed that the executors were entitled to distribute the estate as there was no notice of a claim within the 6 months deadline after the grant of probate. While the daughter had received a copy of the deceased will and an explanation of what she was to receive, she failed to bring her claim within the 6 months and also failed to provide any notice within this time. Accordingly, Justice Macmillan dismissed the daughter's application on the grounds that the court had no discretion to extend time when the estate had been completely administered. This case illustrates that the court will rarely grant an extension of time for lodging an estate claim. Therefore, if you believe you have not been fairly provided for in a will, it's critical for you to seek immediate legal advice to ensure your potential claim is made within the time limit.